Kanye West, provocateur, visionary, and one of the most polarizing figures in modern culture, is no stranger to pushing boundaries. From redefining hip-hop to revolutionizing streetwear, his ambitions has always outpaced the status quo. But now, he's stepping into uncharted territory, AI. Today, we're diving into Kanye's latest venture, an AI-first creative studio under Yeezys. What does this mean for art, music, and the future of creativity? Let's break it down. On January 22nd, 2025, Kanye took to social media with a cryptic call for talent. He wasn't looking for just anyone. He wanted wizards, engineers, designers, architects, team to build a studio where AI isn't just a tool but the core of creativity. Think generative AI, AI designed cities, and music videos crafted by algorithms.
No fear, no limits, our future's in sight. Yeah, walking through Tokyo, lights shining bright. Every step we take, we own the night.
This isn't just hype. AI studios like Runway, a company Kanye's collaborated with, are already changing Hollywood. But Kanye's vision? It's bigger. He wants AI to blur the line between music, fashion, and even urban design. Imagine Yeezy sneaker designed by AI trained on his entire creative archive, or a city built by algorithms. Wild, right?
The call missing. No text backs or call misses. I feel like we all victims.
Let's start with 5:30, a track from Kanye's Vulture 2 album. The music video we got so far is a fully AI-generated music video. Uncanny puppet-like figures, trippy landscape, fans call it everything from a genius to a nightmare fuel. Love it or hate it, it's a raw example of Kanye's AI experimentations. But the bigger flex? The trailer for Vultures, the movie.
Vultures, the movie!
Notice the jagged texture, the flickering faces. This isn't polished CGI, it's AI embracing imperfection. The trailer took just days to make, not months, for Kanye speed matters. He said before, I want to create faster than the work in process. AI just might be his cheat code.
Vultures, the movie!
Critics aren't holding back. The 5:30 video's janky puppets spark memes and eye roll. But here's the thing, Kanye never cared about polish. Remember the Yeezus tour minimalism or the Donna listening parties? He's about vibe, not perfection. Supporters argue that this is just phase 1. AI first studio thrive on iteration. The more data, the better the output, and Kanye's sitting on decades of creative gold, from music to sketches to unreleased ideas. Everything can be used to train his algorithms. Could this evolve into something revolutionary? Maybe, but for now it's chaos with a purpose. Kanye's not alone. Disney's using AI to de-age actors.
We present Fran, a novel face re-aging network that preserves identity while allowing controllable and continuous re-aging of faces in images and videos. Here on the left is the input video, and on the right is the corresponding results generated fully automatically by our method.
OpenAI Sora generate hyper-realistic video from text. Not to mention the recent controversy around Oscar nomination The Brutalist, where they are facing criticism for using AI to enhance Hungarian accent.
They do not want us here.
Who do you mean?
The people here, they do not want us here.
Showing how studios are already slashing costs by automating and using AI. But Kanye's angle is different. He's not outsourced into AI, he's collaborating with it, treating algorithms like co-artists. And this studio could go beyond music. Remember Drone? Kanye's dream of a self-sustainable city? AI might help design it. Imagine an urban layout optimized by machine learning, or buildings shaped by algorithms trained on Yeezy's aesthetics. It's Blade Runner meets The College Dropout. Kanye's promised more AI projects and fans are waiting. Will Vulture 3 drop with an AI-generated AR experience? Could his delayed solo album Bully use AI vocals? Or is this all a build-up to something bigger?
Vultures 3 on the way, Bully on the way, and my new album Tycoon on the way. Let's go.
One thing's clear, Kanye's betting on AI as his legacy project. In 10 years, we might look back at these janky puppets the way we see early CGIs, clunky but groundbreaking. Or it might flop, but would you ever bet against Yee? Whether you're here for the art, the chaos, or the tech, Kanye's AI studio is a story worth watching. What do you think? Is this the future of creativity or just another Kanye sideshow? Drop your thoughts below. If you want more deep dive into AI and culture, hit subscribe. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and I'll see you in the next one.
You know, if I see something, I see an opportunity, I'm gonna go for it. I'm here to crack the pavement and make new grounds, you know, sonically and society, culturally. We're not always in the position that we want to be at. We're constantly growing, we're constantly making mistakes. We're constantly trying to express ourselves and trying to actualize our dreams. I want to create something better for you. We have been limited. It's bigger than, you know, who I am, even in this, you know, in my presence living. It's about, you know, when I was on earth, what did I do to help? I want people to think more. I want people to feel like it's okay to create and follow what their dreams are and not feel boxed in. I want people to feel like awesome is possible. There's a lack of creativity in every field because people are afraid. As an artist and in this world, we can do whatever we want.
Back again, I use my back against the wall. Never caught on y'all, never count on y'all, always count on God. Back again, I use my back against the wall. Never caught on y'all, never count on y'all, always count on God. He's done miracles on me. 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 He's done miracles on me.